That's where we coming from. As you guys can see, it's windy down here. It's very windy and nasty. Should have wear some boots, but I chose to wear sneakers, so you know how that goes. Right now I'm making my way over to Madison Square Garden. The home of the New York Knicks. It's been a long time since I've been in the Madison Square Garden. I think the last time I went in the garden and saw a game was years ago. During the Patrick Ewing and Jordan. And I tell you, man, the people in New York, they hate Jordan, man. But I tell you, I'm a big Jordan fan. I think he's the GOAT. He's the best that ever did it, man. Can't take that away from him. No way. He's the most excited player, man. If you agree with me, look at this building. Wow. Guys, let me tell you something, man. The real estate over here, these are some modern buildings, man. Unbelievable. If you agree with me with my comment that Jordan is the GOAT, tag me and let me know. We could agree to disagree. You know what I mean? But I don't think that there's much to debate. It is what it is. There it is, baby. Straight down there. Madison Square Garden. I tell you, I'm enjoying all this exercise, man. It's a good thing about vlogging. If you really think about it, you really have to get out. You know, when you're doing this type of content. You really have to get out and exercise, you know what I mean? Unless you're vlogging from behind a computer screen or something, you know what I mean? Or doing different type of content. But for me, I enjoy walking. Like, I'm walking and I'm doing something that I'm enjoying, so it's cool. I think I'm gonna get me a cup of coffee. Guys, I'm working with one hand, trying to close this big umbrella, open the door, so footage might be a little shaky. What's up? I need a coffee, man. Small with one equal. One sugar with you got half and half?
Small hot coffee?
Yeah, sugar. Yeah, small. Yeah. And I need a donut. Maybe a French curl. Hey, let me get one French curl. Yeah.
Anything else?
No, that's it, man. Wow.
635.
How much?
635.
635. Guys. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Look, guys. Hey, this not the donut I said.
You said French cruller, no?
No.
You said French cruller.
No. Oh, this one.
You want this one old fashioned.
Oh, it's an old fashioned. Okay.
If you keep, I give you.
I appreciate you, man. Thank you.
I know it.
Appreciate you very much, man. Thanks.
A little much.
Appreciate you, my brother. Thank you. I got 2 donuts. I mean, I got a free donut. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you. All right. Guys, small coffee, a small coffee, and a donut. Let me know how much is that in your country. And I'm not I'm complaining, damn it. Okay, but I know in Manhattan, I know I'm in Manhattan, and everything is more expensive. But 1 donut, guys, and 1 donut, a small donut, and a small coffee, almost $7. Tell me who is living large, me or you? Can't be me. $7. You know what? I don't even really. Me personally, I don't really like Dunkin' Donuts coffee too much. Honestly, I'm not even trying to be funny. I like McDonald's coffee. I know everybody's different. You know, Starbucks is the best. You know what I mean, as far as branding, but McDonald's sells pretty good coffee. Me personally like it. If I had a choice, I would always take McDonald's coffee over Dunkin' Donuts. So guys, I'm walking. What building is this? Oh my God, look guys, look. Oh, look guys. Look how beautiful this place is, man. My hands are full. Umbrella, GoPro, coffee, donut. I'm using both hands and all 10 fingers. So, if you guys could see where the Megatron is, the big Megatron, that's it, baby. That is MSG, Madison Square Garden, Empire State Complex. I've heard of that. What is it over there? This is the Fairfield Marriott. Seems like all the Marriotts got the same decor. No matter where you go. I should go in there and ask them what the price is per night just for the hell of it. But of course it's Manhattan, so I might not like what they say to me. Let's keep it moving, guys. There's a lot to see in Manhattan. I keep saying Manhattan. Manhattan? Manhattan. That's how I say it. In a Jamaican accent, I would say Manhattan. An American accent, Manhattan. Sound weird. But that is just the way I speak. The Olivia now leasing. Wow. Oh, okay. It's a residence apartment. Okay. I don't know. I like to, when I come in Manhattan, I like to ask them prices because makes me humble. You know what I mean? It's a train. That is it, baby. MSG, baby. Let's get out of this rain, guys. Sorry. All right. Wow. So, guys, we're at Penn Station. All right, my good people. I'll come down here and do a vlog. Just on this property. Penn Station, baby. Penn Station. So, all right, guys. Thanks a lot for hanging out. As usual, I feel blessed to always be in your guys' company. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless. See you guys on the next video.